Today we're going to be taking a closer look at 5 houses for sale in St. Anne. House number 1. This 3-bedroom 4-bathroom house is located in the gated community of Pyramid Point in Ocho St. Anne. The size of this house is 1,667 square feet and it's currently being listed for $390,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. Out of the 3 bedrooms, only one is being shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms in all, however, only 3 were shown. Now, a few amenities that you will be able to enjoy while staying here is that there is a swimming pool on the grounds, gazebos, and there is also a clubhouse. So that would bring us to the end of the tour for house number 1. House number 2. This 4-bedroom 3-bathroom house is in Draxhall, St. Anne. This property is 5,453 square feet, while there is 2,466 square feet of living space. This house is currently on the market for 48 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First, we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. And followed by that is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms in all, however only 3 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is the third bathroom. That would then end the tour for house number 2. House number 3. Now this is a 7-bedroom 7-bathroom house found in Arbidine Heights in Brownstown, St. Anne. The size of this house is 4,105 square feet and it's on the market for 45 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. This house has 7 bedrooms in all, however only 2 were shown. For the bathrooms, there were no images provided. We then move from here and head back on the outside. That will then end the tour for house number 3. House number 4. This is a 3-bedroom 4-bathroom townhouse found on Mansfield Drive in Ocho St. Anne. This house has 3,016 square feet of living space and it's on the market for $550,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that is the bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Up next is the bathroom. Out of 4 bathrooms, only 1 is being shown. From here we move to the back of the house, where we have the back porch, and this is the backyard. That will then end the tour for house number 4. House number 5. This 7-bedroom 5-bathroom house is found in Aberdeen, in Brownstown, St. Anne. The size of this lot is 51,211 square feet, and it's on the market for 29 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go take a closer look. First, we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. Followed by that is the kitchen. And we then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This house has 7 bedrooms in all, however only 2 were shown. We then move on to the bathroom. Out of the 5 bathrooms that this house has, only 1 is being shown. We then move from here and head back on the outside. That will then end the tour for house number 5. That also brings us to the end of the video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.